Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm super excited because I get to do some unboxing of some really fun products from Cotton Cuts. Now if you're not familiar with them, they do the puzzle mystery quilt that I'm currently working on, and they said that they would send me some product to unbox and show all of you what is going on with these awesome new products that they have out. Now this video is not sponsored by Cotton Cuts, however they did send me these products for free, so in other words they're not paying me to make this video, however they are sending me these products for free. I think I had the box backwards there just for a moment. Anyways, as you know, I only support and put different brands or products that I like on my channel. If I put this on my channel, it's because I support them and like what they do, or I like the product or whatever. So please realize that even though I did get these for free, I am completely unbiased and I do like these products a lot. In my hands I hold two mystery boxes and envelopes. This is going to be the Chroma box and this is going to be the Java box. Let's go ahead and unbox them and take a closer look. Okay, this is the Chroma package that you receive each month. Each month, a lovely package of colored themed threads will arrive at your doorstep. This is a wonderful way to gradually build a versatile and multicolored thread stash. Simply choose your perfect combination and a team will get to work to package some beautiful assortments of threads just for you. Yes, I am reading directly from their website, so if that sounds a little robotic, that's why. So basically, you get Aurifil thread, which is, what weight is it? It is 50 weight Aurifil thread membership. Basically, you get a whole bunch of threads, and it starts off at $18.45 for this package, so $18.45 USA. It is themed each month to be a different color spectrum, so basically if you stick through it for an entire year, you'll have a good stock of threads to use of the entire rainbow. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside. Awesome. I like the packaging. The packaging from Cotton Cuts is always so great and so much fun. So what we're gonna do is try to open this package. There we go. All right. So, alright, so it kind of shows you a little bit about each thread. Oh, and it goes through each color spectrum as well. And it kind of talks about each thread in here. This is really nice. This is handy. And, oh, look at this. This is nice. So it tells you kind of if it's not recommended, suitable, or highly recommended. And this is a little page that you can cut out and use as a cheat sheet. I would laminate this so that way you have a handy dandy guide to use. So that's pretty cool. We have a sticker powered by Aurifil. We have a Cotton Cut sticker. We have one of their color challenge cards. You can color in this card and then post it on social media for a chance to win 2 yards of fabric. This is a lot of fun. Next up, I have a cute little note from Kim, basically welcoming me into this Chroma club, and I like that they use a pop of color. Haha, that's cute. I like that a lot. And then there's an emery board in here with a little emery board holder for you. And then you have your actual Aurifil thread, and October is a red month, so it's all dealing with red colors. And they tape them up nicely so that way they don't roll around too much, but we have 6 different Aurifil threads to use in the color spectrum of red. This is really, really nice. Let's see, does it exactly talk about the colors that I received? No, it doesn't talk about them exactly, but that's okay. So you get these awesome, and there's even some variegated thread in here as well. It's not just solids. You get this really cool variegated thread, which would be really good for a like a Valentine's Day kind of project. So there we go, awesome. 6 beautiful red color threads and a white. So I guess it's like 5 reds, and a white. If you want to find out more information about how to join the Chroma Club membership, you can check it out down in the description below. I'm going to put a link directly to the Chroma website so that way you can check out all the prices, because there are other tiers that you can move up to, which of course is going to be more expensive, but you'll get more for that money. Like I said, this right here is going to be $18.45 a month, and it's a really great package because, I mean, this is some great thread that I can definitely use on projects. And if you're just starting off like I am in my sewing journey, this is great to have, because then I can stock up on all the colors of the rainbow, and by the end of the year I'll have a full rainbow set that I can pick and choose from. Oh, I don't think I explained this very well. So it talks about like cotton 12 weight, cotton 50 weight, 80 weight, cotton floss, wool. Oh, that's really handy because it really walks you through all the different types of thread. So I don't think I explained that very well when I first looked at it, but this is great to have and very, very handy. All right guys, let's go ahead and clear this away and we'll move on to Java. All right, I was just looking at the side of the box here and I love this caution. Opening this box may lead to spontaneous quilting. Ain't that the truth? All right, so this is the Java box. It is Hoffman Batiks and it starts at $30.95 and goes up from there depending on how long you want to be a part of this club. You can sign up in like 6 months or a full year or all at once, or so many different options for you to choose from. So make sure to go check out their website. Again, I'm going to put the link down in the description below, especially just for this Java. Head down there if you want to check out the Java club and see all the pricing options and what all it includes. This box, I suspect, is going to be the $35 box, but that's perfectly fine with me because my craft room is really, really full, and I'm just excited to be a part of this. They package things very, very nicely. Oh, I'm not even going to pull this out. I thought I was going to pull it out, but then I see things are going to fall, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tear this open, and we'll go from there. Again, I have a lovely note from Kim. Thank you, Kim. Love getting those personalized notes. And again, we have the cards, the information cards, just like in Chroma, and a sticker. I'm gonna end up with like 1 million of these stickers by the end of it. Another sticker, and we got our pile. Oh man, look at these batiks. I love this packaging too. They're packaged up like a little star. We have a pencil in here. My sewing space, my happy place. Ain't that the truth? And there's even some more thread in here. Let's move. Oh, and I can't forget the emery board. Let me move this out of the way, so that way we can actually see. So we have this beautiful, it's perfect for Halloween because it's got orange and yellow and white and purple. I don't know if the camera's picking it up all that well, but look at that. Beautiful, love that. That's perfect, A, for these fabrics, and B, for Halloween. So this is the Batik Club October Trick or Treat, which is exactly what I'm getting from this fabric. I definitely see like a trick or treat bag or something related to Halloween. Let's open this up. Get this untied, I mean. And we'll look at all the batiks that come in this month's box. I had to resort to getting scissors to cut it open. Anyways, all right, let's move that off to the side. I don't want my cats to get that. All right, so we have this beautiful orange and red with this like metallic gold. Have this beautiful purple and blues and whites. We have this yellow and green. Oh, and I didn't read the description about this. So again, I'm reading this directly off their website. I apologize if I sound a little robotic, but it has 12 coordinating fat quarters from Hoffman's signature fabric collection, a spool of Aurifil thread, your choice of pattern from our monthly patterns made especially for the 12 fat quarters, collectible CC color card challenge block, and signature sewing truth pencil, or should I say hashtag sewing truth pencil. This box is really, really full for what you're getting. We have like a rainbow almost bird pattern, some polka dots, ooh, some beautiful orange fabric, some purple fabric. I really like this one a lot. Nice black and white batik. Another orange. I think this one's different though. Yeah, it's different. A little bit different. This like smoky gray kind of batik. Very dark black, blue, and green. And then this X pattern with some all sorts of Halloween funky colors. This is really awesome. It is a lot of fabric because these are all fat quarters. So this is perfect if you want to put together a quilt, or I don't even know, like there's just so much you can do with all of this. Let's not put the orange next to it. Let's go over here. Do it that way. Yeah. So anyways, lots of fabric here, lots to play with, and a lot of fun colors to work with. So lots of beautiful colors to work with. They give you a free pattern that work with these. That's just amazing. I really love this. All of this starting off at $35.95 plus shipping. That's an awesome price for everything that you get. If you are somebody who quilts a lot, or you know, likes to make even like tote bags, I think you could easily make a tote bag out of these fabrics and like quilt it together or something like that. This would be a really great project for that. If you are a, you know, maybe a retired person who is enjoying their time off and does a lot of sewing, even if you are just you know, one of those people that does a project every now and again, I think this is a great stash to be able to collect and then pull from when you need the perfect combination of colors. And they're all coordinating, which is really, really nice, because this whole pack coordinates together very well, and especially with the thread that they give you as well. I think this is a perfect project ready to go out of the box. So thank you again to Cotton Cuts for letting me be a part of this and being able to unbox these products and take a look at them. They are super awesome, and I love when things are coordinated and work together and you're able to use them all together. Like it's like getting a project in a box, basically, is what it's like. And I guess that's why I like the puzzle mystery quilt so much. A, I don't have to cut all the pieces individually, and B, it's shipped to me with instructions, and I can sit down and put together my next puzzle quilt piece in a matter of an hour or so. So I really like the way that Cotton Cuts has made these products so simple and so easy to use. And they really do all the hard work for you, so that way you can really enjoy your craft. And one last thing, if you end up making a purchase from Cotton Cuts, let them know that I sent you over to their website. They'll be happy to hear it. So let me know down in the comments below what you think of Chroma and Java. I think they're great, but I want to hear from you as well. I think that's going to do it for today's video. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, let YouTube know that you liked my video, and then hopefully YouTube will then share it out across YouTube land. Also guys, you can hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell notification icon, so that way you get great updates every time I post a new video, just like this unboxing. I hope everybody has a great day, and remember guys, normal's just sitting on the dryer. Bye!